have from my colleague, Mr. Myra Wang of Nanhua Futures, introducing about the opportunities and channels for QFII to trade in Chinese derivatives market. Welcome, Myra.
Thanks, Alex. Hello, everyone. I'm Myra Wang from Nanhua Futures International Department. Thank you so much for attending our webinar today. Today, I would like to share the topic about the opportunities and the channels for QFII who trade the Chinese derivatives market. Before we go deep of the topic, I would like to share about the big picture of Chinese derivatives market at first. Actually, China commodities futures already rank the most largest volume in the world in terms of the trading volumes, as well our financial futures also developing very fast. So from the first chart, we can see the global derivatives trading volumes by region. Asia is already far bigger than other markets here, as well for the respective top 20 world rankings regarding to the trading volumes. China products holds 16 places in agriculture, 14 places in metal, 5 in energy, and 3 in precious metals here. The last chart bar, we are talking about the perspective of awareness of the Western firms in the Chinese futures market. We can see from more than 2/3 of the firms, they are already participate or interested in our markets now. From this page, I would like to go details about the 3 main ways to enter the Chinese derivatives market. The first one, of course, is our QFII. Second one is international futures contracts. The last one is WFOE. Actually, it's slightly similar, like our Ms. Yang said for our previous presentation. So here I will go a bit more details. As we can see, the QFII not only can trade the commodities, also can trade the bonds, stocks, or equity, and public funds, private funds. So the QFII can benefit from the great fund flexibility with a wide range of the investment scope. And the international contracts, which is a specialist in our Chinese futures market here, the advantage is the fund can stay offshore and but the investment scope is slightly limited compared with the QFII and WFOE. And another advantage here is for the tax issue, we don't need to pay any tax here for the international contracts. As well, we can use the USD dollars to trade. The last one is our WFOE. The WFOE means you can set up a sub-company in mainland of China, then you can enjoy the full range of the products trading here. But of course, you need to follow the Chinese law and you need to pay the income tax and also the profit tax as we do here. So the definition of QFII, I believe like everyone already very familiar. It means foreign institutional investors. As I said, it's not only involved in the commodities market or futures options. So here, one thing I would like to mention is you can invest now the futures or options related private funds and private public funds. So I will talk more details of our following slides. Here is the detailed information of all the products. The yellow background products are the QFII investment scope, and the red one is for our international futures products. And all of the products are listed here in the Chinese market with trading volumes and the share market we can see. So this page is very good for the arbitrage trading firms who trade like related products in the offshore futures markets. I assume later our friend Iris from DBS will talk about the QFII process, how to apply and how to open the different accounts. So here I go directly to our trading firm's most important questions, always concerned about the risk management at first. So in China, we have many different special exchange rules. For example, like margin rules, hedging rules, position limits, and trading limits. For the new foreign investors, if you are like not very familiar with this, no problem at all. We can help you to set up like a course to introduce you one by one. And during your trading, we also can help you to like in time for all the margin calls and other risk management calls. The second thing you might be concerned is about the IT solution. I know a lot of trading firms out of China now trading Chinese futures and options through the Bloomberg EMX. Of course, we have it as well. We can provide the CQG, TT, ISANI, and the CTB, and we have like the leading IT solutions in China for our co-location services. Except for the risk management and IT, the next one, if you are not trading by the price driven, you might be interested in the data support here. So as we know, a lot of big data services is very welcomed by the foreign investors because you don't know the Chinese market that well. So we offer our Nanhua cloud services only for our clients. It's you cannot find it in the market because it's only shared with our existing clients here. From our Nanhua cloud services, you can easily find like majority of the Chinese financial markets information, not only limited to our futures and options here. So here I would like to introduce about asset management service, because if you are not a trading firm, you are just like a family office, or you are like asset management company, you would like to invest a bit of the Chinese derivatives market, but you don't want to trade by yourself. Then our Nanhua company can offer you the top leading commodities or like financial futures or options, private fund or public fund here in the market for you to invest. And we will match your needs at first, and we will make sure all the investment you will make interested is already proved by ourselves. Because if we found some interesting funds in the Chinese market, we will use our Nanhua prop funds to invest at first to check the stability and the capacity. Then after 3 to 6 months, we will introduce to our clients. So this is also, we work very closely with a lot of investment advisors to introduce to our like outside investors. The last thing I would like to mention is about our Nanhua Commodities Index. As already many of our friends who are familiar with Chinese market, actually, our Nanhua Commodity Index is a benchmark for investors who care about the Chinese commodities industry. So when you trade, you might always need to check about the Nanhua Commodities Index trade. And as well, we are already launched almost 20 years in the market, and you can easily find us in Wind. As well, we launched our OTC market last year. So now if you would like to just buy our Nanhua commodities index as your cross-asset management strategy, one part of it, of course, you also can contact with us. We will give you more detailed information about our commodities index. The last one is the background of our company. We are the first Asia listed futures company. And we have the largest numbers of our sub-companies overseas as a Chinese futures company here. We have our sub-company in UK, Singapore, Hong Kong, and America. So we cover the majorities of the futures exchange market globally. So it's very friendly for the trading firms who is doing the arbitrage, and as well, like we can give you the globally different information as you need it. So now I'm in the business trip in Europe now, mainly stay in the France and in UK. If you are the clients who are attending our webinar in these two countries, please feel free to contact me. Maybe we can meet up for a coffee. As well, my colleague Chen, he will have his business trip in the end of February to Singapore and Hong Kong. If you're based in these two places, please let us know. We can arrange some meetups and we can talk about more details as what you might interested with. So here is all my information I would like to share. Thank you.